Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again today. I'm Mr. Buggles, the local bunny, and today I have a special treat for you all. I have been foraging in the grass for some fresh greens to enjoy during the warm months. I must warn you that these greens are a bit unusual. They have a slightly tangy taste, and I must say, they are a truly delicious experience. But as with everything, you need to be careful not to eat too much, because you could easily get addicted. Okay, I'll be quiet for now and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you all for joining me today, and I hope you have enjoyed this special foraging adventure with me. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. And don't forget to like and subscribe.